Good evening everyone, welcome back to Punlok channel. Today I would like to give all of you about the some solution when you have the problem with the pump motor or water pump that getting high pressure, and then how I will give all of you the method how to resolve that and working properly like normal. Yes, the first you need to subscribe and share my video for everyone to know about this method. Okay, let's go with me with the actual video. Okay, welcome back everyone to Punlok Engineer channel. Today I would like to give the important tips for solution when the motor is over current or over pressure. Like this is the Leo pump. This one automatic switch, and this one also has the function for loop and pump on, power on. Yes, this one the reset button when the motor getting pressure, high pressure or high current. It means something is stacking or something like this. Yeah. This one is starting running when it also has the pressure bar. Yes, pressure gauge. The solution when the motor is not running or high pressure, the motor stop. So we need to take out the screw hole for this one. It means the motor is running, but the inside input of the motor have some air, so the rotor or something inside the head cannot pass the water to the output well. So make the switch inside the Leo pump getting high pressure, so it will fall. Yes. So the solution just only take out the screw like this, and take out some screw output from the pipe like this, and take out the in-plug power, and then take directly the water from the pump, and you will see the water outside high or low level. So you can put back and then test. The motor will be running properly. This is the solution for the Leo pump and every motor for the pressure bar or over current. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your paying attention with my video that provide all of you about the knowledge of electrical and electronic engineering. So God will be bless all of you with the good luck. Thank you very much.